नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन मंडे यूएस इंडाइसेस ट्रेडेड साइडवेज इन द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द सेशन बट लेटर फेस्ड अ शार्प सेल ऑफ। द वॉल स्ट्रीट सब्सटैंशियल वीकनेस स्टेम फ्रॉम कंसर्न्स ओवर द इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प्स proposed tariffs. By the close, the Nasdaq plunged over 2%, the S&P 500 dropped 1.76%, and the Dow declined 1.48%. The Brent oil tumbled by over 2% on Monday. Currently, it is trading below its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the 70.5 to $70 zone will be the key support level as the Brent has rebounded from this area 4 times in the recent sessions. The US dollar index slipped by nearly 1% and ended below its 100-day EMA level on Monday. Going ahead, the 200-day EMA zone of 105.8 to 105.6 will act as a crucial support for the index. Talking about Nifty's view, on Monday, the benchmark index Nifty experienced a volatile session, trading within a broad 257-point range. Despite the intraday fluctuations, it managed to hold above the psychological 22,000 mark and ultimately settled near the flat line. A key technical observation from the session was the formation of a high wave-like candlestick pattern, which reflects heightened uncertainty and indecisiveness among the market participants at current levels. This pattern suggests a potential tug-of-war between the bulls and bears, indicating a lack of clear directional bias in the near term. आगे बढ़ते हुए गैप डाउन ओपनिंग को देखते हुए 21,950 टू 21,930 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट की तरह काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 21,930 के लेवल के नीचे स्लिप होता है तो नेक्स्ट क्रूशियल सपोर्ट 21,730 टू 21,700 का जोन में है, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 22,130 टू 22,150 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 22,150 के लेवल के ऊपर बना रहता है तो हम 22,320 लेवल तक एक पुल बैक रैली देख सकते हैं। On the derivatives front, the March futures ended on a flat note while the combined open interest for the current text and VAR series surged by 1.69%. The 22,200 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 22,300 strike. On the put side, the 22,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 21,900 strike. For the current weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.71, while for the monthly series, OIPCR is at 0.94. Talking about Bank Nifty took support near its prior swing and witnessed a recovery of nearly 300 points on Monday. However, it has ended the session at 48,114 level with a loss of 0.48%. आगे बढ़ते हुए 47,700 to 47,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 48,300 to 48,400 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल का काम करेगा। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex closed the session with a slight decline of 0.15%, reflecting a cautious market sentiment. It formed a bearish candlestick with wicks on both ends, indicating indecision and volatility as the buyers and sellers struggle for control throughout the day. आगे बढ़ते हुए 73,300 to 73,400 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इम्पोर्टेंट हर्डल का काम करेगा, जबकि नीचे की तरफ 72,700 to 72,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.34% and the open interest of the current series has also dipped by nearly 7%. The 73,200 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 73,500 strike. On the put side, 73,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 72,500 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.81. Talking about the key market indicators, on Monday, the volatility index India VIX dipped by 1.06%. Currently, it is trading below its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 14.7 to 15 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. The advanced decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty, automobile, media, IT, oil and gas, pharma and healthcare are likely to underperform in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data, the FI is sold to the tune of 4,788 crore while the DI is bought to the tune of 8,790 crore. The FI's long-short ratio for index futures is at 15.93 as on a net basis they bought 799 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.